Now the first step is to run these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. So open Spotlight and then you can type in terminal over here and then run terminal, and over here you can copy these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. Copy the first command, which will reset display UI related settings on Mac. Now copy this command and then paste it over here and then hit the return key. It will be asking for your Mac password, so enter your Mac password over here. You won't be able to see the Mac password, so enter the password, hit the return key, and you should be able to run this command. Now run the second command, which will clear Windows Server related data, cache, display session info, etc. You can copy this command. This command is also provided in the video description. Paste it over here and then hit the return key. Now run the third command. Now the third command, since YouTube description does not allow me to put angle brackets, so I have written angle bracket over here. So instead of word angle bracket, you put angle bracket over here, and that is without any space. So you put the angle bracket without any space in this command. So there is an angle bracket and there is no space. Make sure that there is no space. So after plist, there is angle bracket without any space. So copy this command now and then paste it on the same window. Hit the return key. So please ignore the error. If you are receiving an error, just ignore it. Now the next command, you can copy the next command, which will delete user specific color profile and also the system wide display color profile. So copy the first command, again paste it over here, hit the return key. Once done, copy the third command. Again over here there is an angle bracket, so you can remove this angle bracket from here and then put an angle bracket over here without any space. Copy this command and then paste it on the terminal, hit the return key. Once done, now this will reset the graphical interface and it will also log you out of your Mac. So please save your work and then you run this command. So copy the last command and then paste it over here, hit the return key. I will not hit the return key because it will log me out. Make sure that after you paste this command, hit the return key. This will log you out from the Mac and then you can check. If that does not work, perform monitor power cycle. Now for this, connect your monitor to another computer, which will power on your monitor. Now press and hold the power button on your monitor to turn it off, and then again press the power button to turn it on, and then you can connect your monitor to Mac and then check. This has also worked for many users, so it might work for you. Next step is to disable variable refresh rate in your monitor menu settings. So if your monitor has this option VRR, you can disable it and then check. If that does not work, you can enable it. The last step is to use Thunderbolt 4 cable from Anchor. This has also worked for many users, so it might work for you. So you can, if you have this Thunderbolt 4 cable from Anchor, you can try this. Also, if you have Thunderbolt 5 cable from Apple, you can also try that. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to get the external display working. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.